Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly unexpected. A pair of headphones from Dyson. Yes, Dyson, the brand known for its high-tech vacuum cleaners and air purifiers, has entered the audio market with the Dyson OnTrac wireless headphones. But do they live up to their premium price tag of $500? Let's break it all down in this detailed review. Let's start with the design. They feature a modern, industrial aesthetic that screams luxury, available in 4 stunning finishes: CNC black nickel, CNC aluminum, CNC copper, and ceramic cinnabar. The customizable ear caps and cushions mean you can mix and match colors to make them uniquely yours. The oversized ear cushions are a notable feature, designed to maximize comfort. However, there's a catch. During extended listening sessions, these cushions tend to heat up, which can be uncomfortable for some users, especially in warmer climates. Still, the overall build quality is robust and feels worth the premium price tag. Now, on to sound quality. The OnTrac offers a clear and detailed sound with an even balance, maintaining a mature, neutral tone. However, the sound lacks dynamic punch and subtlety, and could benefit from better timing and more enthusiasm. The headphones have a bassy tuning for extra oomph, with relatively flat mids and treble. Active noise cancellation is effective, but not class-leading. One standout feature is the impressive battery life, offering up to 55 hours of listening time and a companion app for further customization. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. At $500, the Dyson OnTrac positions itself among heavyweights like the Sony WH-1000XM5, Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones, and Apple AirPods Max. While the Dyson headphones offer a unique design, incredible battery life, and decent sound quality, they fall slightly short of their competitors in terms of ANC and dynamic audio performance. For many, the premium price might be hard to justify unless the customization and brand appeal are priorities. In conclusion, Dyson headphones bring a fresh perspective with their customizable design and impressive battery life. However, there's room for improvement in sound dynamics and overall usability. If you're looking for a unique pair of headphones and are willing to invest, they might be worth considering. But for audiophiles seeking top-tier sound quality, exploring other options in this price range could be beneficial. That's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about Dyson's entry into the headphone market. Until next time, happy listening.